Hello everyone, this is Stone from Rigatoni Pastabox, and today I'm going to teach you a very simple function, which is to add gravity into your Scratch games. This is a very useful function because it can be implemented into a lot of games. I'm sure it will overall improve your Scratch coding experience. And yes, I am using a voice changer, and the reason for that is it's pretty cool, and I suppose it just adds a mysterious feel to it. Anyway, let's dive right in. So on the screen right now is the basics of the code. If you're just here to, just copy the code and put in your game, here it is. Feel free to take a screenshot and put in your game. But if you're here to hear my explanation of why this works, then please, listen them all. Alright, so if you see if I press the green flag, this scratch cat will fall down at an increasing rate. And so, I just keep pressing the flag and it'll keep falling down. So let's delete everything and do everything again. So give me a second. Alright, so what we need to do, let me delete this first. What we need to do is go to the red My Blocks section, okay? And then we'll make a new block. We'll name it Gravity. And you need to click Run Without Screen Refresh because this will help the code run smoother. So now we have this. We're going to need to go to Variables and make a gravity variable. And we'll check for this sprite only. So now we have both of these. I'm going to uncheck this, doesn't really matter. I'll explain what this does, okay? The red is basically a function. It defines what this gravity function does. And this orange variable for gravity is just a value that constantly changes. So first of all, let's grab a green flag. And then we'll put set gravity to 0. So initially the gravity is going to be 0. And now we want to define this gravity. What does this gravity function do? Well, we wanted to change gravity by negative 0.5, or you can put like negative 1, it doesn't matter. As long as you make it negative, it'll go downwards. Well, actually, right now, it won't do anything because it's just a variable. We haven't done anything to change the cat yet. So what we're going to do is go to motion, and then we're going to do change y by blink. We're going to put gravity into this blink. So now when flag is clicked, well actually not yet, but when gravity is activated, this cat will fall down by gravity, and the gravity keep changing, keep increases in the negative direction. And so now if we want this cat to fall down, we will need to add this function, gravity, to here, but we need to also add a forever loop so that the cat will continuously fall. So that is in the control section. If we add a forever loop right here, there we go. Let's take a look. As you can see, the cat falls back down. I'm also going to add a go to 0, 0 function just to prevent the cat from like going all the way down. And I'm going to make it 200 so it starts at the top of the page, as you can see. So now we have this. Um, the problem you may notice is that the cat continuously falls to the bottom of the page, which is undesirable in most cases. So we're going to add something to make the cat from stop falling. Alright, what we're going to do is add a new sprite. So let's just add a very simple, let's see, line here. Okay, actually rectangle is better. I'm going to fill this with green, like grass, Alright, so very simple green surface. I'm going to put that in the center. And then we want to drag this to the bottom, about right here. And we will, let's see, I'm going to make it forever go there. So when flag is clicked, go to whatever this position is. Alright, now we want to go back to sprite 1. And sprite 2 is basically the ground. So we wanted to add an if statement. This if statement will forever be in this gravity. So we're going to add a forever here, outside of it. So forever, if, where is it? Touching, so it's going to be over here. If touching sprite 2, so this is saying if this cat touches the ground, then what are we going to do? We're going to set gravity to 0, change y by negative, no, we're also going to change y by whatever this value is, but the absolute value of it. So I'm going to change y by positive 0.5. Alright, so let's take a look. Okay, hold on. There we go. We don't need to add the forever loop. That is my bad. So yeah, this is the statement. You don't need to add a forever loop because it is repeated forever over here. Alright, so as you can see, the spread cat stops falling when it touches the grass ground. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure to check out other videos from our channel. Bye.